Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to create a design with Wepik, easy and effortlessly. First, head over to wepik.com and click Templates and see More Templates in the navigation bar. Here, you will find Wepik's entire selection of designs that you can use as a base for your creations. Pick one and let's head over to the editor. Customize it however you like by adding or changing text, images, colors, whatever works for you. Don't be afraid to explore and discover all of Wepik's features, such as the AI image generator or the background remover. Once you're done, click on the share button if your design is ready to be published in social media. Plus, it can be anytime thanks to the social media scheduler option. If you need to download your template, head over to Download and select your preferred format. Thanks for tuning in. That's Wepik, design made easy for your business.